Hi, I'm Katy Stevenson, anxiety specialist, and I wanted to do some hand breathing with you today. So what is hand breathing? Well, it's a great technique to be able to help you calm down. So if you are feeling anxious and you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed with everything, this is a technique I like to teach to just bring your breathing down. So let's crack on with it. So first of all, what I want you to do is get your hand, okay, and get your other finger. So your hand is facing you and the other finger is going to be pointing away. Okay, and all you need to do is to slowly drag your finger up the side of your pinky as you breathe in, and do this really slowly. Pause at the top and then really slowly go down the other side of your finger as you breathe out. We do it again, so we breathe in. We pause at the top and then we breathe out. We breathe in, pause at the top and breathe out. Breathe in, pause, breathe out. Then onto your thumb, breathing in, pause at the top and then breathe out. Now hopefully by doing that, you should be feeling a lot calmer. The benefits are, first of all, you're not looking at all the distractions around you, you're looking at your hand. So that should take away all the overwhelm from what's going on around you. Second is that feeling, the kinesthetic touch. It's quite a nice tickly feeling as you're dragging your finger up. So it's quite a nice sensation that you're creating for yourself. And then the third thing, obviously, is you're slowing down your breathing. So when you are feeling anxious, your heart rate's up here, you're breathing quite fast. When you do this, you're pushing your breath down back into your diaphragm, you're slowing it down, and just nice and easy. And you can do this as slow as you like, the slower the better. If you're still feeling a bit wobbly, then go back, okay? Hopefully you should have your hand and your finger everywhere you go, so you'll be able to use this tool at any given point if you are starting to feel a bit anxious and just want to take back that control. So I hope this is helpful for you. Any questions, comments, feedback, then please put them below. As I said, I'm Katy Stevenson. I'm an anxiety specialist, and I love to help people just release the anxiety so that you don't maybe need to use these techniques, because actually you feel really good about things and about life. If you have any questions, please get in touch, and have a lovely day, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.